Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Vivo phone has adequate battery and the other device is powered and ready. Now open Settings and tap Bluetooth, or swipe down and use the Quick Settings tile to access it faster. Once in Bluetooth, toggle it on and enable Visible or Discoverable mode so the other device can find your phone. This first step ensures discovery is allowed and avoids delays when you move on to pairing. Once Bluetooth is visible, tap Scan or Refresh to populate nearby devices. You'll see names like headphones or a car system. Select the matching device name. Make sure it looks correct on the other device as well to avoid wrong connections. Next, when a pairing prompt appears, compare the code shown on both screens and tap Accept or Pair to confirm. This step establishes a secure link using a temporary code so both sides trust the connection. After pairing, verify the connection shows as connected and enable the needed profiles like audio or file transfer so features work. If pairing fails, reboot both devices and toggle Bluetooth off and on. If that still fails, forget the device on your Vivo and repair from scratch to clear stale keys. For persistent problems, check for system updates and clear the Bluetooth cache in storage settings. These steps resolve most issues without specialist help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.